That's okay. Look for Daddy, Lauren. There's lots of people down there like ads. You're not scared. You've been to the top. Why would you be scared now? We're on our way down. That's all right. We're getting closer and closer. No. No. Are your ears popping yet?
Yeah.
Oh, mine are. We're nearly there.